Alright, yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So, in today's video, I've grinded for about $5 million, and we're going to be buying me a brand new car. So real quick, if you guys don't know, last video did an update on, we did an update on the new Jeep 6x6. I recently just bought this Pagani. We have Nissan GTR, Porsche, I'm not sure if that's a 911 or not. We got the Spider, LaFerrari, Ford GT, Tesla Roadster, and Lamborghini Huracan. But today we're going to be adding a new car to the collection. So we're going to pick out of these four. So let's start by looking at the Austin Martin. 224 miles an hour, 9 handling. $3,359 per mile. 380. It's literally 2 miles an hour cost for this Lambo. So this one is the fastest. Makes the most. It's gonna be all my money. So, did we buy the Bugatti though? Did we buy it? Did we get a Lamborghini or did we get the McLaren? Ooh, this is a hard decision. We're gonna go and we're gonna buy the Bugatti there. So let's go ahead and let's drive. Oh my gosh. Not gonna lie, I feel like this thing could sound better. Oh shoot, that's not good. Okay, come on, alright, that's our max speed on this map. Not that bad. So real quick, let's go ahead and let's go test out this thing in the drag race. I mean, I'm gonna be real here, I don't think anything can beat the Tesla. Let's just go ahead and let's go test this out. Let's do half a mile. Real quick guys, I'd just like to say, please make sure to subscribe. It would be really nice for you guys to subscribe. And also make sure to leave a like on the video. Alright, let's try this out. Alright, 50, 100. Seconds, not horrible for a hypercar. Now we're gonna go ahead. I say we go into this bad boy over to the track. Let's get the track spin real quick. Also, guys, I'm planning to make some Southwest Florida videos as long as I'm not playing crazy videos. It's just gonna be putting out a lot of things for you guys. Let's go ahead, start. We're just gonna do, let's do a lap. Starting about 19 seconds. So this thing is pretty sick. It does make more money than my Pagani. Which is, you know, one of my other favorite cars. Alright, let's go ahead, let's do this. I'm gonna try not to mess up here. Oh, I said I was gonna mess up, but then again I did just mess up. liking this car. It definitely has a nice look to it and everything. Well, let's pull up to this guy's house and see what he thinks. Alright, let's hop out of here. Dude, that Tesla is going insane. And so what's up? This guy got the Bugatti. Mask, what? But if I could actually spell what, that would be nice. People are weird. But without further ado, guys, I'd just like to say thank you guys for watching. It took me about, I'd say, a good hour and 15 minutes to get about $3 million. So if you guys want to, you know, get a car for yourself, this is definitely a nice car. I am going to be making a racing video and the best cars to buy for their price video soon, so just make sure to leave